Hi guys, Nafis here from TechnoBiz, where the business is all about audio, bags and gadget reviews. So if you're new here, then please consider subscribing. Alright, so in this video, we'll take a closer look at the PGYTECH ND filter set made for the DJI Mavic Mini. If you don't know what an ND filter is, then consider it to be like a sunglass for your Mavic's camera lens. Since most of the time you'll be shooting in broad daylight, using something like the PGYTECH ND filter set can help you get the best images and videos with the correct exposure. So the one I got here is the professional set, which costs around about $60 without shipping. So with that out of the box, you get a case which has a set of 4 ND filters, ND8, 16, 32 and 64. Basically, as you go up, the filters get darker. There are also a couple of stickers, a card with some instructions and a microfiber cloth. The case, however, is pretty interesting and very thoughtfully made. To open, you just push it at the bottom of the cover and the magnetically attached lid comes off like that. Then you can just take it off and then attach it to the back of the case, which attaches magnetically as well, so you don't risk the chance of misplacing it. Putting on the filters on your Mavic Mini is super easy. Also make sure that you have the Mavic Mini turned off before you attach the filter. This is just a precaution to stop you from harming your gimbal motor. Also, if you need more instructions for installation, then you can always refer to the card that came with the box. Now that we have everything ready, let's take this for a test flight. So all the images you saw before were not color graded or anything. So please let me know in the comment section what you think of it, because I actually think they look pretty great, but would love to hear your opinion on this. And also, if you're in the market to buy a new drone for the first time, then check out this video of mine of the Mavic Mini. I think it might be super useful for you. So anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button and I'll see you next week. Peace!